I don't know. I wouldn't know. I've never seen one.
Look, rock climbers, mountain bikers, arches.
All right, greetings from Moab. Anyway, we are headed to Hell's Revenge to get a Jeep that was upside down yesterday, but now it's not upside down.
Nice.
Upside down. Pretty sure we're gonna have to pull plugs, clean it out, and then it'll fire up and drive out. But we're gonna run out there. Sean's up at the trailhead with the LJ, and we've got the buggy. We're gonna run out there real quick and check it out, see if we can make this happen.
Arms inside the vehicle. Dude, that was smooth.
That's what I was hoping.
That was cool. Well, yeah, there is supposed to be a Jeep right in front of us.
Might be around the corner. Becoming concerned. It always shoots this way. So don't park there.
Well, what's the original story on this?
Here. So he came down into the car wash hot tub, which is what they call this over here.
Okay.
And if you notice by that little chunk of oil right there and that scratch mark, he came down, and if you don't come just right, your front tire will dip into that hole and it just rolls you right over. It happens a lot.
Okay.
The battery is not very well attached. Because he did say it didn't start. So I don't know whether it wouldn't crank. Maybe the battery was
That
loose.
sure looks like a loose connection.
Yeah, it does. So let's check this out.
Dang, that's a cool shirt. Where'd you get that?
And then this thing.
The front office.
Nice.
Or Trailmater.com. Get
Heck,
you some.
Get you some.
Are these on the website?
Yes.
Oh, what is that?
Tell me you're from California without telling me you're from California.
Wait, what the what?
It locks the brake pedal so that you can't drive the vehicle. Plugs.
Plugs.
Okay, check. Story checks out. So we need a 13. Ooh, over here doing some body repair. Just like that, good as new.
Basically new.
Got a little bit of oil in there.
Make an elk bugle.
You're the hunter.
We're the gatherers.
We're the gatherers.
Spare parts.
There you go.
Like?
I don't know. I wouldn't know. I've never seen one.
Mike's like, they tell me that they're out.
I've heard rumors that they exist around here. I don't know.
Some customer came in years ago with a big mural painted on the hood.
Okay.
And Sean is very careful with paint jobs. He always puts the rag on the when you're flipping that up.
Right.
And the guy came into the shop when he wasn't supposed to,
Right.
Came into the shop and seen that the hood was flipped up and got all mad. I was like, hey, that hood's, really expensive, this and that. And Sean's like, yeah, I got the rag on there. And he's, no. So he flipped it back down. So then, you know, you're trying to work right here with the hood
Right.
right in the way. 2 days later, we had a call for a recovery on Hell's Gate for a rolled Jeep. Turns out it was that Jeep, and Sean goes, glad I didn't scratch his hood. It's totally trashed.
Whoops.
Yeah.
That first one looked pretty wet.
Oh yeah, this one's soaking.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's a swimmer. Ooh, there's.
Yeah.
It's got oil in the air gap. Number in the back.
That was
6.
number 5.
Number 5?
Yeah, 1-6 was
Not
5.
6. 5.
Real bad.
So numero uno and numero cinco. Mucho oilio. That's Spanish, in case you guys are wondering.
How high you think it'll, Mike?
Maybe 7 to 14 feet.
7 to 14. I bet the rag makes it about 12.
All right. Whoa, Jesus!
That's a lot. That's a lot.
That was so much. Okay, the process is nearly complete. Number 5.
Number 5 was packing all the heat.
All right, we're gonna reinstall this air cleaner device and be back with you guys in a moment. Uh-oh. All right, we are going to do the same process again.
Cranker.
Yeah, go ahead again. All right. So that was number 1, 5, and 6. Number 1 had the most, but 5 and 6 had some.
You get it to where you put the plugs in, so then it's pulling more vacuum through the intake.
Oh, by having the plug in there, it actually draws a lot more vacuum, and then whatever was in the intake finds its way down the.
Yeah. So. Oh, we should address that.
Is there a large puddle of?
There's a huge puddle right here. We should pull that throttle body off and set it out of the way, and stick a rag in there because there's so much oil in there. Send in the clean one.
Too bad we can't like reverse the polarity on the starter and make it blow out the intake. You spin it the wrong way.
Sounds like a horrible idea.
Yeah, no,
right.
nothing bad could possibly happen.
There is so much oil in here. Here, you ready for this?
Oh my goodness. That's a large amount of oil on that rag.
Let me know. Okay, go ahead. A little more? That's still blowing stuff out, huh?
A little bit. It's a lot better than it used to be.
Yeah.
Mosquitoes be gone. There was no bugs anyway, but they're gone now.
Hey, killer. We gotta make sure we got clean smoke going into this engine.
Where'd the road go? I hear bottles.
I'm in the spur world.
Whew, that is powerful. Yeah, if you're ever out wheeling and you see smoke like that, that generally indicates that some vehicle is at an angle it should not operate at.
Let's do that, Mike.
That's what that smoke's in.
Over there.
Okay, I'll get it.
Too slow, gringo.
So we checked the oil. It was at the add line, so we added. Looking better, clearing up. Sweet. It's getting better all the time. All right. I guess we're gonna go for a drive. Oh, I know where he's going.
Well, we are on the move. Got Michael. Just follow the smoke. You'll see him.
Right through the big hot tub. Take this to the shop?
Yeah, that's where we're going. We're going to meet him there.
Okay, cool.
Look at that. We all made it. We're all alive.
All right. There it is. We got everybody back to the shop. Buggy, LJ, customer's vehicle, all's well.
I put the shrimp on the barbie.
Tell him, Sean.
We get this cleaned out?
Mm-mm.
Oh, all right.
No. I made an elk bugle through it.
He blew through it.
Yeah, I basically blew it out.
Didn't really work.
It's all cleaned out and ready to go, actually.
We're ready to go.
So helpful today.